expression x squared minus 9, and we're asked to factor it. We notice that we have a perfect square in our a term. X squared is a perfect square. Subtraction, and a perfect square is our b term. This means it fits into our a squared minus b squared is equal to the binomial conjugate a minus b times a plus b. So we take the square root of our a term, square root of our b term, square root of x squared is x, minus the square root of 9 squared, which is 3, and we multiply it by its binomial conjugate, x plus 3. If we're given 25m squared minus 16, we notice 25m squared is a perfect square and 16 is a perfect square. It factors into 5m minus 4 times 5m plus 4, because the square root of 25m squared is 5m, the square root of 16 is 4. If you multiply them together, we see that you have 25m squared minus 16. We have 64m to the 4th minus 16. 64 is a perfect square and m squared is a perfect square. This factors to 8m squared minus 4 times 8m squared plus 4. And that factors. If you are asked to completely factor this, you could also factor out a greatest common factor first. (64) divided by 4 is 16, so we can factor out our perfect square of 4. We have 16m to the 4th minus 4. We still have a perfect square minus a perfect square. So to completely factor this, we have 4m squared minus 2 times the quantity 4m squared plus 2. And you're done.